Alright guys, so this is the makeup tutorial for today. No lashes again, because I think I said in one of my videos that I'm actually going to do lash extensions, which between you and I never get food because I miss my apartment because traffic dip on the road. I'm not even about going at that. But I'm using this color and I'm using my my leopard Santi palette that I got from excuse me, Fontana Pharmacy. So this palette comes in handy on so many occasions. It's unbelievable, and I love adding a little bit of red for my transitional color because I like how it looks. It just sits well on my skin tone. So now I'm going in with this green, and this green is looking a little bit muddy, but I didn't mind it because it's bringing some depth to the look, and that's going in my crease. The red that I placed before went above my crease a little bit. Then I'm going in with a lighter green, and this lighter green I'll be placing right on my brow bone, all right, between my brow bone and the other green. So the other green I placed before, I'm going to place this green above that green but below my brow bone color, if that makes sense. So it's sandwiching between them. Now, as usual, for all my glitter looks, I'll be using lash glue, and the lash glue I'm using specifically is Lash Tight, and it's a dark lash glue actually. And look, I just put a little bit of that because I've been noticing that I don't have to use a lot of lash glue in order for the glitter to stick. So I just use a little bit, and you can see it's already getting darker. That's because it's drying. So work with it really fast. And then put such a thin layer of lash glue down, it dries really, really fast. So work with it fast. And this is Abu Dhabi from I think it's called Glitter Fairy Dust, but I know definitely it's from Lux on Instagram, and Lux is owned by my girl Isaken. Hey babo. How you doing, baby? I see you, boo. I see you. So I'm putting this all over my lid, and I'm avoiding my crease area. Next, I'll be taking this green, and see I'll switch over brushes because I want to place this color, and I'm just patting it further up closer to my brow bone. Now the first green I placed was between the brow bone color and the crease color. Now this one is going right on top of my brow bone. Again, going in. Okay, Jonathan. Going with this color again, and I'm just patting it over the other green that I laid before. Now, the national colors for Australia is gold and green. When I Googled it, that's what I found. So I decided just do a gold and green look. Hence why I'm doing so much greens and with my little gold lid there. So again, this color is going to be going in my crease. I didn't really want to use black, but I had to use black eventually because I wanted like a really deep smoky look. But let me tell you something. You see, when you add lashes to this look, you guys, it's going to come alive. So do not skimp on lashes for this look. Please add lashes for this look. But I didn't want to because at this point I could have sworn I had a lash appointment, but I didn't because I missed it. So all those weeks of not wearing any false lashes, it just kind of annoyed me, to be quite honest with you. But yeah, so I'm placing this color in my crease, and I'm taking my time with it, and I'm using a small dome brush. Here I'm going in with the black, and I'm using the black from the shimmer side, and I'm placing it right on top of the green that I placed before. Now, what I do notice that some of you guys don't know how much black to add, or how deep it should go their color. Go deep enough where it's smoky, but not deep enough where you look abused. You know what I mean? Like you look like, I don't know, abused. So don't go too deep where it just looks untidy, disheveled, like it got punched in the eye. Just go deep enough where it looks intentional. Like, oh my gosh, I love her smoky eye. You know, I really hope that helped. I don't know. So I'm just adding this green, and I'm putting it over the black a little bit so it doesn't look like I added black. So everything just looks like gold and green, and you can't know I add black unless you watch this tutorial. And that's what I love about my look sometimes. Unless you're watching my tutorials, you would never know how I did it. And that's what I like about makeup tutorials in general. I think it's pretty cool. But yeah, so as I was saying, this color would go badass with some lashes, so y'all should really do that. I'm going in back in with the darker green, and I'm putting it over the black again to bring out the greens in the look and to camouflage the black that I used. I really, if I had my way, I'd have just used green and gold. You guys hear Jonathan? But yes, I'm just adding the green. Now I'm going in with this color right here, another green, and this is going to be going on my lash line. I actually added black eyeliner pencil, and that will help to bring out the dark tones in this green, so it won't come out as bright. It will come out a little bit darker because I added the black eyeliner pencil. If I had added white, then it would have come out a little bit lighter. So then I'm grabbing this goldish color here. It's like a white gold almost, and I'm going to be putting that in my happy area. Now, I didn't have to add it, but I wanted to add a little bit of pizzazz to the look. And being that I wasn't wearing lashes, I want my eyes to be the focal point in this look. So I went hard on these lashes, boy. Alright, so now I'll be adding 650 Nude Embrace from Maybelline. Yay, I was right. 650 Nude Embrace from Maybelline. And this is just the brush that I used to do my all over powder for my face. So I'm just using that to just go over the edges of my lips to help the lipstick to blend some more. Next, I'll be taking Amber Glow from All Dolled Up Cosmetics. They're a Jamaican cosmetic brand. They're in Bargain Mall. If you're in here in Jamaica, you can probably Google Bargain Mall All Dolled Up Cosmetics and you can find them. So I'm just applying this glow on all my glowy areas, like the tops of my what that name again? Cheekbones. Yeah, tops of my cheekbones, down my nose, my chin, my forehead, all the usual suspects. Then I'm taking Hibiscus from Black Opal. And I'm using this as my blush, and it wasn't really coming up as much, but hey, it's what I used. This is what I used to do my blush. So this is the finished look, you guys. I really hope you guys enjoy it. I like using my blush to kind of blend out the edges of my glow. Just thought I'd say that. But yeah, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe if you have not. And if you do recreate this look, please go ahead and use the hashtag Rochester so that when I click it, I can see your looks. Bye, guys.
Yeah, I ain't sleeping lately. Yes, I know that I'm the only person that can change me. Maybe that's why I ain't changing. I got too much on my mind. I guess I don't know how to face it. I just don't know how to face it.